Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn Costa and these are the headlines.
Mostly incident-free elections are conducted to 7 civic polls, Naveli Zilla by-poll and by-elections to 22 panchayat boards. After a slow start, many percentages cross or are close to 90%. CCP crosses 70%. Airport Director Gagan Malik said that there is sufficient parking space at the airport after criticism from all over this. Kankonkars rally behind victim say that they want to make sure the accused is not set free for being the son of a top politician. In the Pro League match played at Duler, Panjim footballers and Vasco Sports Club score 1 goal each, share points.
And now for the news in detail. After a slow start, polling picked up by afternoon, with poll percentages crossing 90% in some cases and coming close to it in others. The municipality polls were by and large peaceful. However, there were a few incidents, including in Naveli and Kankorn.
Voting percentage for municipal polls from 8 am till 4 pm as per the State Election Commission is as follows. Pernem 87.29%, Bicholim 79%, Kunkolim 70.14%, Kurcharam Kakora 72.33%, Kankona 82.58%, Walpoi 80.22%, Navelim ZP constituency 52.53%, Corporation of City of Panaji CCP recorded voting percentage of 64.58%. The Congress ZP candidate for the Navelim constituency Pratima Coutinho alleged that a local official was telling voters where to vote. Last night, within the CCP limits, there were allegations that members of a panel were seeking to influence voters by distributing money.
I got proofs. You are telling people it seems. Sipru. You are. Oh no. You are like a joke. What you are talking?
आज दनपारां 11:30 सुमार जेन्ना भुताळसान हांव घर वतालो म्हणल्यार आमचो शेजारी एकटो बायक घेवन आयिल्लो तेजे बायकार फाटल्यान बसलो आनी घर वचपा म्हूण गेलो उदक पिवपा म्हूण तितून म्हणल्यार म्हाजी ऑपोजीट सायडीन एक कार आयली आनी म्हाका मारली आतां हांव एक कॅन्डिडेट आसा म्हाजे ऑपोजीट जो कॅन्डिडेट पळय आसा किशोर शेट तेचो सपोर्टर तो ह्या मनशान आज म्हाका गाडी मारून उडयलो म्हाका सारको.
श्यामचारी, इर्शाद शेख, William Rodriguez, Amar Chavriya, Sandeep Kamulkar, Sandeep Toyakar, Ramesh Naik Raut and Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
BJP in Panji might say hum saath hain, but looks as if there are still rifts in the parivar. Vishnu Naik, an independent candidate from Ward 19, has brought this out in the open. Listen to what he has to say on being supported by Utpal, Siddharth and Datta Prasad. He says he is supporting the BJP, but Manohar Bhai is BJP.
क्लियर करूंक सोदता आमी अजून बीजेपी आसा. म्हाका उत्पल मनोहर पर्रीकर, सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकर, दत्तप्रसाद नायक यांच्यानी सपोर्ट केला पण आमी इन्क्लुडींग मी हे तिगूय अजून आमी बीजेपीन आसा. बीजेपी सोडलेली ना. फक्त सांगपाचें अशें आसा ही मनोहर भाईची बीजेपी आसा जे आमी रिप्रेझेंट करता आनी आत्तां जी बीजेपी आपण म्हणून पॅनल घेवन फुडें वयता हे नवे एंट्रंट्स आसा बीजेपीचे. सो तांकां अजून बीजेपीन एस्टाब्लीश करपाची गरज आसा. तेंच्यांनी दाखोवपाची गरज आसा की हय ते अजून बीजेपीन रावतले उरतले. कित्याक आतां पर्यंत जे पॅनल आमचे ऑपोजीट आसा दोनूय पॅनलां तेतूंतले एक जे मेजर पॅनल आसा जे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे पॅनल आपण म्हणटा तेज्या लिडरान आतां पर्यंत एकूय इलेक्शन भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या टिकेटीचेर लडोंक ना. फाटलें इलेक्शन सुद्दां तो काँग्रेस टिकेटीचेर लढला आनी जिखला. सो तो जो भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आपले पॅनल म्हणून सांगता पळय हेजेर लोकांक आजून डावट आसा. लोकांक कळटा उदक खंय आसा आनी दूद खंय आसा ते डिफरन्शिएट करपाक बरें जाता.
We have heard about old friends meeting during Jatras or festivals. But this time, during polling, two old friends sitting on wheelchairs no less met and shared old memories. This incident took place at Karanjale on Saturday.
Such types of scene is seen in theatre or films. At Karanjalem, booth number 3, two old women are taken toward the polling station by their families. They both see each other and after entering the gate and both get a big surprise. Both spiritedly share their memories as the families and voters watch this reunion with interest.
Thanks to ward number 3.
Watch the happy reunion of duo captured by our cameraman William Rodriguez.
Goa Fort President and Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai said that the incident wherein the Goan delegation was ill-treated by Karnataka police is to convey a message that the deal has been done over the Made waters with Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Vijay said that successive governments had saved Made, or at least had fought to save Made, but Dr. Sawant within 2 years of coming to power had handed over Made to Karnataka.
Vijay was referring to the report that Goan delegation that was part of the joint inspection team were made to wait outside the Khalsa project while the joint inspection was being carried out. The delegation members' IDs were confiscated by the Karnataka police. The delegation also said they had to face numerous instances of verbal abuse and were treated with utmost disrespect. Vijay said the Goa government could not save Goa's lifeline even though BJP governments are there at the center in Karnataka and Goa.
ट्रेलर इतल्या खातीर कित्याक कर्नाटकाक एक मेसेज कर्नाटकाक धाडूंक सोदता गोंयांक आनी सेंटराक की आमची डील प्रमोद सावंता कडेन ऑलरेडी जाल्या. आतां तें उदक आमी डायवर्ट करतलेच. सुप्रीम कोर्ट आसूं आनी कोण आसूं थंय तुका इन्स्पेक्शन सुद्दां तें सारकें करूंक दिना आनी हें ऑफिशियल इन्स्पेक्शनाक जर गत अशी जाल्यार तूं फुडें पळय कितें जातलें तें. कंप्लीट 2 वर्सांनी म्हादय म्हणटा ती जी इतली राखून दवरलेली सक्सेसिव गव्हर्मेंटांनी ती ह्या मुखेलमंत्र्यान कर्नाटकाच्या हातान व्हरून पावयली.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Youth and Women Power on Saturday expressed their support to the victim who was kidnapped, molested and sexually assaulted at Kankon by the son of a South Goa BJP leader. They have appealed to Kankonkars to make sure the accused is not set loose just because he is the son of a prominent BJP leader.
The Women Association feel that the case would be suppressed as the accused is the son of a powerful politician. They also criticize BJP and the law and order situation in the state and express their fear that the police could dilute the case due to the powerful people involved.
ते पळोवन आनी आयकून न्ही हांव इतलें शॉक आसा की म्हाका समजना की हांव गोवान आज उबें आसा की UP बिहारान आसा. आनी स्पेशली जेन्ना तो BJPच्या प्रेसिडेंटाच्या चेड्यान केला हें कृत्य आनी आमचो खंयचोच हांगासलो MLA जावं BJPचो खंयचोच कार्यकर्ता जावं CM हांव कोणूच ताका विचारून येवंक ना म्हणून आय एम रियली शॉक. दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणल्यार ताज्या हॉस्पिटलान आमी गेल्ली तेजी अशी हालत आसा आनी म्हाका दिसना की हें चेडूं फुडें केन्ना तरी आपल्या लायफान कॉन्फिडन्सान फुडें उबें रावून भोवूंक शकतलें कशें. हे चेड्यान ताका कशें म्हणून अशें मारला. तेजे तकलेर 5 स्टिचीस पडल्या, तेजें नाक इंजर्ड आसा, सगळी बॉडी इंजर्ड आसा. आमच्या कोर्टाक जेका आमी न्यायाधीश आनी एक न्यायाचें देवूळ म्हणटा ताका हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की हाची बेल ग्रांट करची न्ही. कारण हो त्या फॅमिलीक ताच्या बापायन म्हाका सांगलें चलयेच्या की तांकां तेणें धमकी दिल्या केस फाटी घे म्हणून. तेन्ना हो ताच्या आवय बापायक आनी ते चेडवाकूच थ्रेट न्ही जाल्यार हो फूल सोसायटीक थ्रेट आसा. तेन्ना हांव न्यायाधीशाक आमच्या जज जो कोण हांगा आसा ताका सांगूंक सोदता की ताची बेल प्लीज ग्रांट करची.
जी गांव भयण जेची आयज अशी हालत करून त्या चेड्यान उडयल्ली आसा BJP लिडराचो चेडो हू इज सपोर्टेड फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द गोवा आनी आमी पयरूच पळयल्लें. आनीक त्या चेडवाची आयज अशी हालत आसा तें हालपाक पासून चलना. हॉस्पिटलांत तें न्हिदलें आसा आनी तें अशें हालपाक पासून चलना जायना तेज्यान. अशी तेजी कंडिशन करून उडयल्ली आसा. तेज्या आख्ख्या आंगाक दूख आसा. सो म्हाजी काणकोणकारा कडेन एक सारकी अपील आसा, मातशें तुमी देंवचें आनी दाखोवचें. लायक आमी जागृत आसाय म्हूण असली हें आनी आमी काणकोणाक केन्नाय जावपा दिनाय आनी जें जालां ताका सारकें स्ट्रिक्ट पनिशमेंट जावपा जाय. कांयच फेवर जायनासतना पनिशमेंट जावपा जाय.
थोड्याशा म्हयन्या पयलीं काणकोण असो एक प्रकार घडिल्लो जें नांव आसा पूनम पांडे. हेका लागून सगळे आख्खे काणकोण पेटिल्ले. सगळे आख्खे काणकोणांनी पोलीस स्टेशनार जावं कलेक्टर ऑफिसान सगळी एकठांय येवन एकजूट दाखयलेली, जाल्यार आयज ह्या आमच्या काणकोणच्या एक चेडवाचेर अत्यंत दुर्दैवाची एक घटना घडिल्ल्या, जाल्यार काणकोणच्या सगळ्या लोकांनी एकडे जावन आपली एकमत करून एका एक प्रतिसाद दिवपाक जाय.
Kankana police arrested one Pratik Naik for stalking, outraging modesty, causing hurt, abduction and criminally intimidating a girl on Wednesday. The accused is the son of senior BJP leader Mahesh Naik. The police have charged him under section ranging from 509 to 324, 354, 365, 354D and 506(2) for outraging the modesty, causing hurt by dangerous weapons or means, assaulting, abduction, stalking and criminally intimidating the victim.
तारखेर काणकोण वाठारान एका चलये कडेन जबरदस्ती करपाचो प्रयत्न करप आनी ताका बेदम मारपाचो प्रयत्न करपी प्रतीक नायक ह्या भुरग्याक काणकोण पुलिसांनी अटक केल्ली आसा आनी ही केस खंयच्या परिस्थितीत दडपपाक जायना, हाचेर कठोर कारवाई जावपाक जाय देखून आतां गोवा नारी शक्तीन ह्या संघटनेन आवाज उठयल्लो आसा. ह्या संघटनेची प्रतिनिधित्व करपी अध्यक्ष निशा वेर्णेकार आयज काणकोणांतल्या पुलिसांक येवन मेळ्ळी आनी हाचेर कठोर कारवाई जावपा खातीर मागणी केली आनी त्याच पद्दतीन आतां गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या नारी संघटनेचेर किंवा नारीचेर अत्याचार जावपी वेगवेगळ्या संघटना कडेन हो विशय पावयतली अशें ताणें सांगलें. काणकोणांतल्यान गोवा 365 खातीर देविदास गांवकर.
Customs authorities at the Daboli International Airport seized 33 lakhs worth of gold from an international passenger who had arrived from Dubai by the Indigo flight number 6C8445 in the early hours of March 20th. Since April 2020, the Air Customs of the Goa Commissariat has seized 3,336 grams of gold worth rupees 1.44 crores at the Daboli International Airport.
Allied Goa Customs officers headed by Juliet Fernandez, Assistant Commissioner of Customs, apprehended the passenger after noticing his suspicious movements and recovered gold 610 grams in liquid form and 2 gold chains weighing 98 grams and 113 grams each, totally weighing 821 grams valued at 33 lakhs 6,090 rupees. The passenger had hidden the gold chains and pouch of gold in liquid form in his undergarments. Mahabir Singh Meena, Joint Commissioner of Customs, said that smugglers use the modus operandi of bringing gold in liquid form to avoid detection. He said the smuggled gold has been seized under Panchanama and the passenger has been arrested under the provisions of Customs Act 1962. Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Daboli Airport.
The Goa airport has been under fire for its parking problems and even for the way it enforces COVID SOPs. Now, Airport Director Gagan Malik has clarified that the airport has sufficient parking space, even as he stressed that parking facilities at the airport cannot be free for taxi operators. Here's more.
The airport director also said more parking space is being created at the airport, but taxi drivers should be ready to pay. The airport director said some taxi operators park their cars by the roadsides and lure passengers from the airport terminal and make them walk with the baggage all the way out.
लोगों का ये कहना कि यहाँ पार्किंग अवेलेबल नहीं है, आप अभी भी जाके हमारी पार्किंग को देखेंगे वो पार्किंग अभी खाली पड़ी हुई है. रीज़न बीइंग के जो टैक्सी ऑपरेटर्स हैं, जो टैक्सी यूज़ करते हैं, लोग जो चलाते हैं उनको, दे वांट द पार्किंग शुड बी फ्री. पार्किंग्स एट एयरपोर्ट कैन नॉट बी फ्री. अभी PT 162 जो हमारा दूसरी वाली साइड में एरिया है उसको भी हम पार्किंग के लिए डेवलप कर रहे हैं. बट ये सब जगह बनने के बाद भी इशू सिर्फ ये रहने वाला है कि क्या लोग वहाँ पर जाके अपनी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी करेंगे, क्या टैक्सी वाले वहाँ पार्किंग करेंगे. इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है. बट इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि आप जो उपलब्ध सुविधा है उसके जो नॉमिनल चार्जेस हैं उनको पे करें और उस सुविधा का लाभ उठाएं. कि आप ऊपर से टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग से रोड पे आपने गाड़ी खड़ी कर रखी है, जो पैसेंजर वहाँ अंदर टैक्सी नहीं लेता है किसी भी वजह से, वो जब बाहर आता है तो आप उसको ल्योर करते हैं, आप उसको सॉलिसिट करते हैं, उसको वहाँ से सामान के साथ पैदल उतार के लाते हैं, रैंप से उतारते हैं, रोड पर लेके जाते हैं, कई बार तो रोड क्रॉस करके आप उस पैसेंजर को लेके जाते हैं. ये सारी डेंजरस चीज़ें हैं. यूनियन को या एसोसिएशन को कोई समस्या महसूस होती है किसी भी विषय पे लेके, माय डोर्स आर ऑलवेज ओपन.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Daboli Airport.
For the first time, Ponda town is hosting a grape festival. The festival that has started on the 20th of March will go on till the 24th of March at the Ponda market yard.
The grapes come from Sangli in Maharashtra. The varieties on display are Super Sona, Seedless Jumbo, RK Super, etc. The chairman of Krishi Utpan Bazar Samiti of Sangli gave us more details.
आज या ठिकाणी गोवा कृषी बोर्ड आणि महाराष्ट्र राज्य कृषी पणन मंडळ व सांगली कृषी उत्पन्न बाजार समिती सांगली यांच्या विद्यमाने कोंढा या ठिकाणी द्राक्ष महोत्सवाचं आयोजन केलेलं आहे. या द्राक्ष महोत्सवाचं आयोजन करण्यापाठीमागचा हेतू एकच आहे की यावर्षी कोरोनामुळं एकूण जागतिक मंदी आहे, त्यामध्ये शेतकऱ्यांना यावर्षी द्राक्षाचा माल पण उत्पन्न कमी आहे आणि रेटच्या बाबतीतही थोडं मंदी आहे. त्यामुळं शेतकरी ते ग्राहकांना चांगल्या क्वालिटीचा माल आणि द्राक्षामधल्या सर्व क्वालिटी गोवेकरांना पाहायला मिळाव्यात, त्याची चव चाकायला मिळावी आणि शेतकरी ग्राहक अशा पद्धतीचा हा द्राक्ष महोत्सव या सांगली कृषी उत्पन्न बाजार समिती तसेच गोवा ॲग्रिकल्चर बोर्ड आणि महाराष्ट्र ॲग्रिकल्चर बोर्ड यांच्या विद्यमानं गोवेकरांच्या खास खवय्यासाठी आज हा महोत्सव आयोजित केलेला आहे.
Kishan Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A seafood festival has begun at Panji's Hotel Park Prime. The festival that started on the 19th of March will go on till the 28th of March. The festival will begin from 12:30 afternoon till 3:30 and from 7 in the evening till 11.
The festival aims at providing best seafood to fish lovers in Goa and tourists as well with Goan local masala. It includes Indian, Goan, tandoor fish dishes, jumbo prawns, tiger prawns, lobsters, pomfrets, kingfish, mackerel, chonak, morso, king crabs, etc. Park Prime's general manager gave details.
Seafood festival will be start on 19th of March, Friday today, and it will continue for 10 days till 28th of March. Food will serve in two places. One in Tulip restaurant where the press conference is organized, and second Marigold rooftop restaurant. During lunch time 12:30 to 3:30, here in Tulip restaurant the food will be served, and during dinner time 7:30 to 11 o'clock the food will be served in rooftop Marigold restaurant. But all the masala, the spices we are using is prepared in locally. We like to highlight the local people of Goa, those who are preparing these masalas and its sales, and all our restaurants are used.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
And now for some sports news. In a tightly fought Pro League match at Dhule Stadium on Saturday between Panji footballers and Vasco Sports Club, the match ended in a 1-goal draw. Panjim footballers were leading with 1 goal for a long time, but Vasco Sports Club managed to draw it at the last minute.
As another corner, it's almost 2-2 on the corner count as Daniel Rebello's corner comes in, and the header has allowed a scrappy football affair going on in that Panjim footballer's box. What a start! I believe it's a throw-in. Yes, it is, as Prussell takes it. This is Joyson. Joyson does well. Goes past one of his markers. This is Lloyd Cardozo and Joyson in the box. Joyson takes it, and they have scored the first goal of the match. What a move that is between Joyson and Lloyd Cardozo.
Now for the weather. It's likely to rain in Goa for the next 4 days. IMD has predicted that light rain accompanied by thunder showers could happen from 21st to the 24th of March at isolated places. Sky will remain clear and turn partly cloudy in the evening. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees centigrade and 24 to 25 degrees centigrade respectively.
Dry weather prevailed over Goa. There was no large change in minimum and maximum temperatures, and it was above normal over the state. The lowest minimum temperature of 24 degrees C was recorded at Panji, and highest maximum temperature of 33.4 degrees C was recorded also at Panji. Highlights: light rain, thunder showers on 21st till 24th March. Sky will remain clear and turn partly cloudy in evening. Possibility of haze in the morning. Maximum temperatures to be around 33 degrees C, minimum temperatures to be around 24 to 25 degrees C. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv and follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.